Welcome to ProPilot Plus YouTube channel. My name is Cole Shepard. Today, we'll quickly walk through the essential steps of a pre-flight inspection and cockpit setup. Before every flight, a thorough pre-flight inspection is crucial for safety and efficiency. This process not only ensures the aircraft is airworthy, but also familiarizes you with the cockpit layout and systems. Start with the exterior inspection. Walk around the aircraft to check the tires, fuselage, control surfaces, and fuel levels. Look for any signs of wear or damage that could affect flight performance. Next, move into the cockpit. Familiarize yourself with the instruments, avionics, and controls. Ensure that all switches, dials, and settings match the pre-flight checklist. This step is critical for a smooth takeoff. Before starting the engine, perform a final review of your checklist. Confirm that every system is in order and that you're confident with the cockpit setup. Safety first. And that's a quick guide to pre-flight inspection and cockpit setup. Remember, a detailed check today ensures a safe flight tomorrow. Visit ProPilot Plus website today for a more hands-on training. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick educational tips. Thanks for watching.